Let me ask you something. Have you ever looked in the mirror and wondered where your strength has gone? Maybe once lifting the groceries or reaching for a shelf felt easy, but now it takes a little more effort. You're not alone. This story is about all of us, about how we can stay strong, vibrant, and independent, no matter the number on our birthday cake. Sarcopenia, muscle loss that comes with age, can feel like an unwelcome guest. But here's the good news. You have more power than you think. Today, I want to share over 60 superfoods that can help you beat muscle loss naturally and help you feel more like yourself again. Let's start with the greens: spinach, kale, broccoli, and Brussels sprouts. These aren't just side dishes, they're muscle defenders, packed with vitamins and minerals that help build and repair muscles. Add them to a smoothie, toss them in your omelet, or simply sauté with a bit of olive oil. Beans and lentils? They're more than humble pantry staples. Chickpeas, black beans, kidney beans. Each bite gives you plant-based protein and fiber, which are essential for muscle maintenance. Don't forget your nuts and seeds: almonds, chia seeds, flax seeds, walnuts. These tiny powerhouses are brimming with healthy fats and protein. Sprinkle them over yogurt, blend them into oatmeal, or just keep a small handful close by for snacking. And oh, let's talk about the color on your plate. Red peppers, tomatoes, carrots, sweet potatoes, blueberries, all bursting with antioxidants that fight inflammation, helping your muscles recover and grow stronger. Now seafood lovers rejoice. Salmon, sardines, and trout are rich in omega-3s and vitamin D, both proven to support muscle health. For the meat eaters, lean turkey, chicken breast, and eggs are simple, effective ways to keep up your protein intake. And don't overlook dairy. Greek yogurt, cottage cheese, or just a glass of milk provides calcium and protein working together for your bones and muscles. Each meal is a chance to nourish your body and honor every step you've taken in life. It's not just about food, it's about cherishing your independence, feeling proud when you climb the stairs, play with your grandkids, or simply savor a walk in the park. You deserve to feel strong, capable, and alive. So try adding one or two of these superfoods to your next meal. See how your body responds. Give yourself the gift of strength, because every day is worth living to the fullest. If you found this helpful, let me know in the comments. Share your favorite superfood or a story about staying strong. Let's inspire each other, one meal at a time.